Well, the abortion battle heating up in Texas. A judge today hearing more than a dozen legal challenges to stop the Heartbeat Act, with demonstrators protesting outside. Now, that law went into effect in September. It bans abortions once a heartbeat is detected. That's at about 6 weeks, and that's a time before many women even know that they are pregnant. Monica Madden from our Austin station KXAN is live. So, Monica, this could really be the first real test of the law's constitutionality.
That's right, Nicole. A lot of the previous lawsuits and challenges we've been seeing through the federal courts have really been when providers and the U.S. Department of Justice have been asking courts to temporarily block this law from going into effect. Now, the hearing that happened today, this was in the state court, and it's the first time that the constitutionality of the law, the actual merits of the law, are being considered. And it's a hearing that started at 9 a.m., has been going for a long time today already. The judge is predicting it'll go into the night. And he said that everything is on the table today. So depending on what he decides to consider, he could very well rule on the constitutionality of the law. He could block it. He could not.
So, Monica, this, as you said, could go well into the night. Tell us, what is the difference between this hearing and what's in front of the U.S. Supreme Court?
There's a few differences, Nicole, some in terms of who is actually being sued, which parties are being sued. But the key difference, again, is, what is being presented before the Supreme Court and before this state district court today. The Supreme Court case is really weighing the procedural aspects of this law. Justices have made it very clear they don't want to weigh in on the constitutionality of the Texas abortion law quite yet. They're looking at whether Texas can pass a law that is otherwise unconstitutional if they shift the enforcement to private citizens rather than having state actors being the ones who are enforcing it. And then again, like I said earlier, this state case today could very well be considering the actual constitutionality of the law and could block the law depending on what the judge decides. Nicole?
All right, so some differences, some nuances between those cases. All right, Monica, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.